Hello everyone, my name is Sarkar. I'm here at the Oracle campus in front of their customer briefing center by SuneraTech, who's going to be doing a demonstration at the Oracle Direct Town Hall about their innovative chatbot products, and they were invited to be the only partner to speak at the kickoff to the entire Oracle Direct sales organization. We'll be talking to some of the developers and the presenters and getting some kind of in-depth feedback on the value proposition of this innovative technology. So it should be a really interesting time. Here at the OD Town Hall with Oracle at 350 Oracle Parkway building in the Customer Briefing Center. We just saw a demo from SuneraTech.
Vinil, and I'm the CTO, and I look after all AI and machine learning initiatives in SuneraTech.
And then what did you, let's go this way a little bit, and what did you do today here at the OD Town Hall?
Right. So we were here to make sure that SuneraTech has built a lot of AI applications that are actually getting business benefits for customers, right? So tangible business benefits, right? So we have a set of great case studies and proven business results from AI. So those we wanted to showcase today to all that are Oracle sales reps that are sitting with us today, and to demonstrate to them that we can take referenceable customer case studies, right, and then go out there and spread the word in terms of and help them sell more.
Right, and AI is a cutting-edge field. Lots of advances happening now, lots of technology changes. You guys seem to be pretty far along in terms of implementing it in a chatbot environment. When did you start developing this, and when did you see this AI as a business opportunity that would be beneficial for your customers?
Right. So one of the things that we did at SuneraTech about 10 years ago was to invest on tangible innovation, right? That new technologies could get us, right? And the other thing is, so like I was saying, we also developed a culture of, almost you could say, a fierce commitment to customer benefit realization, right? And that was that kind of drove innovation and kept us ahead of the curve most of the time, right? So when AI started emerging and machine learning started getting commoditized, we saw a huge opportunity, right? We took those technologies, took it back to the customers, and we asked, okay, so we are supporting this set of applications for the customer today in this function. So how can we apply AI and ML to get tangible benefits? Tangible benefits for the customer. So let's listen to the bot now. So you could see the conversations, right? All the conversations are captured. They are all digitized, right? And then you can listen to the conversation.
Ensure you are next to your machine and have the model number. If you have the model number, say yes, or say no if you do not.
Yes.
Thank you. Can you please tell me about the issues you are having today?
On the postage tape, or when there's a line through the amount of postage on the stamp.
I can provide assistance with your issue. Please select postage machine series from the following options. Press 1 for IS, IM, and IN.
So I don't think I could understand as an agent what she was asking for. The bot was able to do that, right? And it was, you can see, it was a 9-minute call, right? And the bot walked the customer through 17 different steps on how to troubleshoot and get the machine back working. Right? How awesome is that? Right? And this was done by a bot, and consequently, you can see the pods there. It was handling 16 customers at the same time doing this. Right? So we'll go to, I can give you more examples.
And how have customers been receiving AI? I mean, obviously it's a new thing, and it's been a stuff of science fiction and everything.
Yes.
What process do you go through engaging a customer, educating them, and how difficult is that, or do you find them receptive? How are customers reacting to these types of offers?
Right, I think that's a great question, right? So AI is a pretty new concept, and I think sometimes it can get intimidating, right? In terms of, how do you leverage value out of AI today, right? Because it's just beginning, there are very few use cases out there. But the thing that got us a lot of traction is that, we adopted, so we constructed Sunera Labs about 3 years ago, and then we invited our customers, right, and to jointly develop use cases, right, which could actually get them tangible business value, and prove to the business leaders, right, prove to the CEO, saying that yes, there's value in adopting this particular use case for AI. So that kind of got us a lot of traction, where we were able to prove in a pilot environment, saying that yeah, AI can actually get done. Okay. So the beauty of this whole solution is that AI is not expensive. When you talk to customers today, customers think AI is expensive. No, it's not. Right? We have taken technology, beautiful technology of Oracle, and then we've made it commoditized. Right? Now customers can afford AI to get tangible benefits in their business, right, at a very, very low cost.
And what kind of, obviously here you showed a demo that was showing, service call and things like that.
Right.
What kind of business use cases were you guys doing previously in your long legacy of experience that you thought could be improved with AI and focused on those functionalities? What is in your legacy that you built on to bring AI to was it business process improvements, application handling?
Yes.
What type?
So one of the focus areas for us has been customer experience, because we built a couple of products called Miltag and eSeal, and these are the kind of products that we've been working for the last 7 years on, and all these products involve some amount of customer experience automation. And it was kind of a logical extension for us to go ahead and solve those problems wherever there's a customer experience, where today, if you look at an enterprise, there are customer conversations primarily in the support area and the marketing area, right? So we took these two use cases and then automated them first. But it's not limited to that. So we are, for example, working with a lot of customers in helping them adopt RPA, robotic process automation, to improve their financial management processes, to improve their HR processes, right? So these are some of the things that we're doing.
And then final question, what is your kind of goal for this year? Oracle's just started their new year. Obviously, you're on the technical and engineering type of side, but you're here at a sales event. What is you as an engineer who are kind of coming up with these, you and your team obviously coming up with these ideas, what do you hope to kind of get the salespeople to see? I mean, what's the benefit to them? How do you want them to engage with you? Obviously, somebody else is handling sales, but as an engineer, you want to sell these things, right?
So I think one of the things I believe very strongly is that sales has become more show and tell, right? And more proof of the pudding is in doing a pilot kind of a strategy, right, nowadays. And from that perspective, I think the boundaries between what a sales and a solution engineer are kind of collapsing, right? So we are very focused, all our engineers are very focused on saying, okay, what is the business value that we are delivering to the customer for this use case? Everybody is very, very clear, right? So we're trying to get that kind of a message out to the Oracle ecosystem, where we're saying, hey guys, gone are the days of license sales, right? Tool sales, right? Now customers are looking for solutions, right? And if we jointly go to market, because we have built a beautiful set of solutions, and we could see a lot of traction.
All right, and a lot of success all around.
Well, absolutely.
Okay, great. Well, thank you very
Fingers
much.
crossed.
Congratulations.
Thank you very
well
much.
done.
Yeah.
We're going to roll on to the next topic. Pause meter. Okay, let's do it.